Ha! Well, hello there. Garon's the name. What do we have here?
I think I know what to do.
My, look what I found!
Is it magic?
I've got it! The most brilliant idea ever!
Toby, wake up! It's time to go!
What?
Oh, Garon.
I'm so sleepy.
I know, little guy. Come on, we need to move. Look!
I've been searching for this seashell all day!
Here, take it. Here.
Wow! Is that a shell?
It is. Would you like to see it? It's so beautiful. Look at it shine.
Look what I found, friends. Ooh! Wow!
So pretty.
For all of us to enjoy.
You see? Simple as that. A fine tool for any occasion.
You see, the market trends are shifting like the jungle canopy.
Bro.
The key is diversification, my friend. Oh, I get it now. Diversity.
Uh-oh. What is this? I can't. Whoops. No.
All right, watch closely, Rexy. Over the top, through the loop. Now you try.
Got it. Look, Garon, I did it.
Excellent, Rexy. Wonderful. Almost there. Whoa. Whoa. No. No. Oh, no.
Almost there. Just a little tighter. Perfect.
Looks wonderful.
Just needed a little charm.
Ta-da! See? I told you I could do it!
Oh, Garon, it's amazing. I love it.
Oh, boy. I just have to make one. Oh, this is going to be so much fun.
Oh, Toby, look at you!
Help, Garon. I'm stuck.
Don't worry, little guy. I'll get you out of this.
Thank you, Garon. You're the best.
I have some shells for you, Rexy.
For me, Garon?
Thank you. You're welcome.
I wish I could fix my train. Nothing is going. Oh, my
Perfect. This one goes right here. And this yellow one will brighten it up.
Almost there. Perfect. Ah, look at this. Aren't I handsome?
Excellent job, team. Looking good. Keep up the great work. On to the next project.
Ta-da! It's perfect. Roar! Look at my awesome shell necklace. Here's my funny pose. Ta-da! Isn't this silly? Watch me spin. Yay! Hero pose.
All right, team, focus.
Roar! Getting it done. I'll try to help.
We're almost there. Pull, Garon, harder.
I'm trying, Rexy.
This thing is tough. Almost there. One big pull. Yes.
Oh, Rexy, you're killing me.
Watch the cape, Garon. It's fabulous. Oh, no. What a mess.
Let me help you with that. No?
Sniffle, thank you.
Welcome to my little corner of the forest. Look at all the wonderful things I've made.
Perfect! This will really brighten up the path. Just one final adjustment. And just think how much better this...
I almost got it. Just a little higher. There! It's perfect! Wow! Oh my! This is truly extraordinary! Oh, my beautiful toys! Everything's broken!
Wow! These shells are amazing! Look at the light they reflect. Catch me if you can!
Oops, missed it!
Okay, one more time! Whimper!
Oh no!
Ow.
Where did it go?
Don't worry, little friend.
Oh, you found it! Thank you!
Looking fabulous, Rexy. Absolutely, Garon. Check out these shoulders.
I dropped my train!
Ta-da! Check out my super stylish leaf cape. Watch this. Woo! Looks great, doesn't it?
Hello, everyone! Thanks for coming! See you next time!
I tell ya, I almost couldn't believe it, right?
Right? I saw the whole thing.
Oh man, I wish I'd been there to see it too.
I couldn't have done it without you all! Garon!
Garon!
We did it!
Hooray for Garon!
Ta-da! It's done! Look at my sparkly pile!
Perfect. Just the right touch. Oh, yes! This is excellent!
I wish I had my train. But I need to be brave. Maybe if I had a friend.
Hold still, little friend.
Wow, it tickles.
Almost done. You look so strong.
Thank you, Garon.
Cheer up, Toby!
Yeah, buddy. Don't worry about the train.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah! Oh! Whoa! Check it out! Yeah! Hello? Ooh! Is someone there?
Hi, everybody! What's up?
I'm watching you.
Who said that? I've got the moves! He moves! What's that sound? Oh my goodness! That's hilarious! Keep it down. It's a secret. Huh? What? What's going on? Seriously, Garon, you're freaking me out.
Whimper. G-R-R-R-R. Gasps.
All right, this will be easy. Wait, what's that sound? Oh no! Garon here, ready for anything. Whoa! Okay, maybe not anything.
No! Back away! Slowly!
What? What's wrong?
Just come on, quietly.
I'm so scared. I can't find my way out. Hello?
Is anyone there?
Go! Go! They're coming! Run! Get out of here! Now!
Keep running, Toby. We're almost there. Way to go, guys. Look out for that bush. I'm trying. Just a little bit further, I hope. Zoom.
Oops. What's this? Oh no!
You're free.
Thanks, buddy.
Can't leave it. But I have to keep going.
Hey, it's dark, it's now.
Time for a little time out.
No, Garon, not the tree hole.
Just for a moment, Toby.
Time to secure the perimeter. Ah, perfect. All hidden now. Excellent work.
Daddy, you're done for a hand. And
Keep it a secret.
No, no, no! I'm not looking! Make it go away! No, no!
Keep still. It's right there.
Oh, I think it sees us.
I want my mommy.
Oh, this is not good. Not good at all. Oh no, don't look here. Please don't see me.
Oh, thank goodness! Whoa! That was close!
I think we're safe.
All right, time to face the day. Wow, this is even better than I remembered. This leaf? I've got it! Got it! Yes! Ha ha ha!
Perfect bark for a perfect bracelet.
Whoa!
And a touch of magic with it, moss. Looking sharp, Garon. My vest is great for this weather.
But my toy is broken.
Nice sweater,
Standing.
Toby. Yeah, buddy, you got it. Excellent. The camouflage lesson is complete. Time to hide my treasures. Wow, thank you, Garon. Thank you, Rexy.
The golden hour truly makes this forest majestic. Don't you agree?
You're the best, Garon! And you too, Rexy. Let's just stay here.
Thank you. Thank you. All of you. From the bottom of my heart.
Here, for you. Thank you, friend.